Hi friends, today we can discuss about another intraday strategy. The ORB strategy means opening range breakout trading strategy. Our first intraday strategy is open is high is equal to low strategy. I hope you are all well known about open is equal to high equal to low as well as this ORB strategy. The ORB strategy means ORB is nothing but the opening range breakout trading strategy. You may find it when a range has been broken after a certain period of time from the market opening time. It's very simple. Some traders are used 5 minutes, some others are used 2 hours, up to 2 hours. You can go through the practical means examples later. Whether the opening range breakout is real on or fake. By using volume, we can finalize whether the breakout is real or fake. The answer is the volume, and so you also need to consider a high volume at the time of breakout. The volume can contribute in either way. So if volume increases with heavy buying, then the stock price might go up. The same way, if the volume increases with heavy selling, the stock price may go down. Either the breakdown or breakout, the volume is an important parameter. The strategy I am using towards using the Cpr central pivot range, pivot points, and Vwap, and as well as volume chart. The ORB setup for buying, I am using the 5-minute candlestick chart. The 5-minute candle is fully closed above the range. Buy above the candle as well as the Vwap and Cpr volume. Please check the buying volume. If a large gap down opening, we can go for long with the candle above the Vwap line. Similarly, what ORB selling, I am using the same. Here only below Cpr only we can sell the stocks or as well as the indices. If a large gap of opening, we can go for a sell when the candle below the Vwap line. I hope you are all know about the Vwap, volume weighted average price. So tools available in all over the trading platforms, including TradingView, either Zerodha, LS Blue, Upstocks, with all the brokers given the Vwap tools. What to do if a large range size candle, even if a Nifty or Bank Nifty is simple, if the first 5-minute candle is a large volume candle, means large size candle, we don't do anything in the stocks. Okay, so I will show some examples. This is Nifty 23rd April 2021. This is a 5-minute first minute candle. This is nearby 130 points movement. 130 points movement on the first 5-minute candle. When we draw the range, but let's go breakout, it will give another 100 points. It's a wild movement on that day. This is a Bank Nifty 10th April 2021. See, there is a 285 points movement on the first 5-minute candle. We can't do anything on this scenario. So there is no, if a breakout will we get here, our stop loss is too large. No. That's why we forget the trading day. Sometimes no trading also is a good trade. This is example on TCS on 15th May. Sorry, 15, not 15th May, 14th May. Okay, today only 15 now. Yesterday TCS chart, there is a wild move on the first 5-minute candles. Nothing can do. So risk reward ratio is one of the important point. Here the risk reward ratio is nothing. There is no, suppose we risk this much height, no. Similarly this much height. Similarly this much height is our risk reward. At least 1:1 is 1:1 or higher. Only we can take entry. Rules for stop loss and targets. Stop loss. Initially, you can put stop loss at the low of the range. You can gradually trail the stop loss if the price is moving in your favor. You can place a stop loss above or below the Vwap line. Okay. Exit plan. What is the where we use our exit? Exit if stop loss hit or when your target met. If our stop loss hit, okay, don't do anything on that stock. Otherwise, what's the target? Our next resistance or next support line. Don't be greedy and set your target before you enter in a trade. Normally, you can set your target near the support and resistance level. So we can go for some practical examples. This is for Tata Steel on 6:15. Tata Steel is moving fantastically on last few days. I'm using first 5-minute candle range. Okay. Here I'm using the central pivot range, pivot standards, volume and Vwap. There is a good volume here. I will draw the 5 minutes candle. We enter above this candle, means 1084. We buy above 1085, as well as the Vwap also moving on the upside. Our first target will be near. Here is the resistance 1. Suppose we enter here. What's our stop loss? It's a large candle. 1044. The risk reward ratio is very less, not our favor, but during that day, all the metal stocks are moving higher. Suppose we can enter here, we can exit at R2. Then this is a good trade. First 5-minute candle, I will extend here to here. Here is a false breakout will happen, but our stop loss is not met. It's above the Vwap line. Then finally we plan to buy above 1147. Also Cpr below the Cpr support. Then our target is up to 1147 to 1175. Our stop loss is 1129, 1145, 48, 46. It's a good RR ratio. So this day on 10th May, the Cpr is on the downside. We don't go for sell entry. So there is a sideways day only. Here is a large breakdown day. We can. The moment of the Vwap is on the upside. At least our target here to first target is 1202, then Cpr 1214. Then we can go for another stocks, Tata Motors. Tata Motor on last Friday. We can extend, it's a narrow Cpr range. We can extend extend the range, first 5-minute candle. This. Okay, it's beautifully breakdown. Let's choose a target. Okay. Then we can go for UPL, Asian Paint, Cipla. All are moving much higher. ITC. We can go for only another stocks. ITC. ITC on last day. This is the first 5-minute candle range. strong support, Cpr support here, and also the movement to the Vwap also to the up to up. It's also working fine. RR ratio is very good because this is strong support on Cpr 204. Our entry is 205.5. So even 205.5 up to go to up to it's more much more higher. Then we can go for Asian Paint. Asian Paint last day, the result day. So it's moved very fantastically to the up. We can go for LT. LT may hit stop loss. No one strategy is a holy grail strategy, but this is okay. Here we can check whether the movement of the Vwap. The first 5-minute candle, let's go down. There is a strong buying pressure here now. If we saw this, we can exit early. So we can buy here, we can sell here, but it is a strong volume of buying pressure now. So strong buying pressure. So we can simply exit here. Stop loss is not too large. Okay, we can go for another stocks. We also implement these two Bank Nifty options also. Just we check Bank Nifty and Nifty options, everything. For all, we can apply this strategy. 3220 only. This is not a high reward ratio, higher risk reward strategy. It's not give a high from high margin means high money to us. So before that day, it will give a good movement. This inside Cpr. Next candle is a bullish one. So retesting of this level also. And also the Vwap also moving higher. So we can take entry above the second candle also. Also 394, target up to 453. Okay friends, this is a strategy of opening range breakout. Okay, if you face any difficulties, means anything wrong from my end, just comment on YouTube. Please join with us on Telegram and YouTube, the Malayali Trader. The assignments to you, backtest the opening range breakout strategy and implement your tools. For more confirmation, please comments to the video on YouTube. Okay, thank you friends, thank you once again. Okay.